In this video, we are going to talk about if Notion can send reminders. So the answer to that is yes. So you can create a reminder in the page, which is really simple. So first, you'll have to go as add reminder, followed by time, date, and what it will remind you. So remind tomorrow, remind at 7 p.m., or at remind 7 p.m. Wednesday at 1 p.m., something like that. So this will create you a blue tag basically, and this will remind you at the certain day that you set the actual reminder. And then basically, you click the reminder, and then when the window that opens in the date of your reminder you want to be reminded, it will be 30 minutes beforehand, of course, and the change the date and the time zone will be there, of course. So creating a reminder in the database is also simple. So right here, go to your database, choose the date, set the reminder, and then there. It's just that simple. So all you have to do is just follow this. If you have to pause the video, you can do so that you'll be able to follow the steps step by step and check it out yourself. So yes, you can set up Notion reminders, and it's really simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.